Today I'm going to show you how to add numbers with different bases. We're usually in a base 10, but this is a base 12 problem. So we're going to be using base 10 blocks to show you how to solve this. So we have p 5 to the 12. So we have p equals 10 when you have a base 12. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rods. And then we have 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the bottom problem, we have 4 rods. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And E equals 11 in base 12. So we draw 11 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? So when we have this, obviously we can take out 12 of these units that we have together. So we're adding them together. We know we have 11 here. So if we just take one more out of this one, we have 12, which equals a rod. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 units left, base 12. Now let's count our rods. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're going to make that into a flat. And we have 1, 2, 3 rods left. So, and we have one flat. Remember, a flat is like this. So we put that in the 100 spot. So we have one flat. So we have 134 base 12. That's how you do that problem. Now I'm going to show you a problem using the lattice method. So we have 312 base 4 and 203 base 4. So what we're going to do is add straight down. So we have 2 plus 3 is 5, but we're in base 4. So we can take 1 4 out of your 5, bring it up here. And 5 minus 4 is 1 left, so you put that down here. Now you have 1 plus 0 is 1. And then we have 3 plus 2 is 5, but again, it's base 4. So we can take out one of those 4s and put it up here. And then we'll have 1 left down here. Okay, now we're going to add in the groups and the blocks going diagonally. So we have a 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 equals 2. This one is 1, and we have 1 here. So we have 1,121 base 4. Now we're going to be using the traditional method of adding in base 6. So we have 3 plus 4 is 7. So we can take 1 6 out of that and bring it up here. And we'll have 1 left after we take 6 out of 7. And then we have 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 4 is 10, but we can take another 6 out of there. So we have 1 here. And 10, we take out 6, so we have 4 left. And then we have our 1 6 here. And this is base 6. So you have 141 base 6. Now we're going to do subtraction in different bases. So we have 432 base 5 minus 342 base 5. So we're just going to write these out in blocks. These are 4 flats. We have 3 rods and 2 units. Okay, and now we're going to subtract from that. So we have 3 flats, 4 rods, and 2 units. So right away we can see we can just cross out the units. So we have 2 here, we took those away. Now, here's where the problem comes in. We have 4 rods here and we need to take those away from 3. So we need to take one of these flats, and we're not going to break it up to 10 because it's base 5, so we're going to break it up into 5 rods. So we're just going to add more up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 8 rods at the top altogether. We're going to take 4 out. So we subtract 4. We are left with 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we have 0 units. And now we're going to take away 3 flats from these flats. So we have no more flats. So we have 40 base 5. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to subtract with the traditional algorithm. We have 52 base 8 minus 35 base 8. So let's put our 8 down there just so we don't forget it. Now we have to take 5 from 2, which you can't do. So you're going to regroup. We have 5. We're going to take one of these. So we'll have 4 left. And we're going to bring 8 more because we're in base 8. So 2 plus 8 is 10, minus 5 is 5, and then 4 minus 3 is 1. So you have 15 base 8.